Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in the Oaks. And we finished up the pond clean out, did the refoaming, and everything is looking super. Now the water is falling where it's supposed to, over in the center, kind of like in the center of it. And this one here, instead of going underneath the rock, now the waterfall is going over the rock. Did a little adjusting up here on this falls here up in here. Looks nice. Came out really good. I'm happy with it. This was a rebuild from a concrete pond years and years ago, from a company that I used to work with, and it came out good. It's a nice little pond. It's good for the platies and stuff that we have in here. Little wagtails in there. She likes the orangey colors. We've got 5 rhizomes in here of the tropical, and 1 rhizome of the night bloomer in here. So she'll have some nice flowers in here. But it did really good. Kyle did a really good job today. Helped me out with everything. It was really nice to have him here today. I appreciate all his work. And I think everything is looking fine. I think the customer will be very happy. We're going to go see her. We had to redo some of the rock over here. There was a big gap in here, and then the liner was just up so high. They're going to be filling all this in. This is all going to get mulched and covered over. You won't see any of that edging. That'll be gone. I've got some stone I've got to put in up here on that corner right there where you can see the liner. I've got to finish stoning that in. I've got to bring in some more rock in there. And then another piece right on this side right here. And that's just a little touch up I'll do for nothing. She's a good customer. These people are really good customers. So, oh, and there's Kyle. There's my helper. He's such a great help too. Let me tell you. I wouldn't be done right now if it wasn't for him. He's such a great help. I like it. It's hard to find people that really want to work and that work as hard as he does. But here it is. And there's the waterfall all the way down through. Oh, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC, wishing everybody a great day, and we'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.